All right, so I can't believe it is already September, but historically this isn't a great 2 months to be in stock market or in crypto. Today's video, I want to talk about what is going on in the market right now with Bitcoin and also go over a few important things happening with Cardano, Ethereum, and the NFT market. So if you enjoy this sort of content, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let's jump right in, starting off with the overall market. Right now, we're looking at the overall market. Historically, September really isn't too great. When we look at the charts, we can see that since 2013, Bitcoin has not performed well in the month of September. You can see that almost every single month since 2013 for September has been red. We only saw 2015 and 2016 in the green. So this, while isn't a sure sign as to what's to come in the market, it's something that we need to look at, because not only for the crypto market do we see red in the month of September, but also in the stock market. Historically, for the last 25 years, we have seen a decline in the stock market in the month of September. So this is something that the trend can break. It's not a guarantee, but it's something that's going to hold down the markets psychologically, because this is historically what we always see for both crypto and for the stock market. Next thing is going to be with what is going on, which could potentially be good news for the crypto market, and that is that we could potentially be seeing a Bitcoin price double bottom. So when we're looking at the charts right now, a double bottom pattern is historically a very bullish pattern for the crypto market for technical analysis. And what we're seeing right now is that when we look at the charts, we see there is a double bottom forming right now. You can see there's a false breakdown signal when we drop down to 17,500 in June 2022. But since then, now we have formed this W-shaped, which could be a very, very bullish sign for the market. What we need to see right now is we need to see this $19,500 per coin level hold, not drop below that, and then see Bitcoin start pushing back up and break above that $24,500 per coin range. We almost broke above it a couple weeks ago before we saw the Federal Reserve and Jerome Powell push the market back down, but over the coming days and next couple weeks, we'd like to see that bounce right off of this current level we're at and rally up to potentially $30,000 per coin. The key level is going to be, can we stay above 19,500, and can we break back above that 24,500? You can see right here, and that W pattern will form. I want to quickly interrupt today's video to bring you a word from our channel partner, Fairdesk. Fairdesk is one of our longest term channel partners, and it's a cryptocurrency exchange that offers up to 125x leverage on Bitcoin trading. This is the platform where I've been doing all of my leveraged crypto trading as of recently, because they have a simple and easy to use platform. Some of the features that I personally enjoy most about Fairdesk are three main things. The first is their trading arena, which allows you to win money for simply predicting crypto prices. Second is a simple mobile app and with great charting features. Third is easy access to leverage. So currently, Fairdesk is running a limited time bonus where when you sign up and make a deposit, they give you not only the normal $600 bonus, but also free money to use in the trading arena. Fairdesk is giving away a total prize pool of $100,000 to users. And this is a limited time offer running between August 25th and September 20th. So you're definitely not going to want to miss this. So if you're interested in trading crypto with leverage, getting free deposits and winning money in the trading arena, I definitely recommend you go over to Fairdesk and check it out. So let me know your thoughts on the platform. Let me know what you think, and let's get back to the program. Next thing is going to be with the overall market, which is also actually pretty bullish, is that we've seen that Bitcoin mining difficulty has spiked. This is the highest we have seen it since January of 2022. And if you look at the charts right here, you can see a 9.26% increase in Bitcoin mining difficulty was implemented on August 31st, 2022. So this is actually a very bullish sign for the market, because it shows us that more Bitcoin miners are getting back into the market, and we're seeing more people wanting to mine Bitcoin. So when you're looking at what this historically means, what top CEOs and top executives are saying, that A difficulty increase is an indicator of a strong and growing network for Bitcoin, and it's a good thing. Sectors like gas and hydro are really becoming the main factors and main ways for cheap energy costs. And this is why we're starting to see and continuing to see more and more companies expanding into crypto mining, but also expanding their current operations. So this is something that we like to see, that Bitcoin mining difficulty has increased. That shows us that there's a strong, healthy network and that people are wanting to get into Bitcoin mining right now, which is something that long-term is a very good thing. Next, I want to go over a couple things going on in the NFT market before we get into Cardano and Ethereum. So right now, Ticketmaster recently came out and chose Dapper Labs. They chose Dapper Labs Flow blockchain for NFT tickets. So, Ticketmaster, they recently announced this partnership. They said they're going to have an exclusive deal with Flow blockchain. Flow blockchain has been making some major moves in the crypto space, currently ranked around the 30th ranked cryptocurrency in terms of market cap. And I would say if you're looking at a crypto right now that many people aren't talking about, but is actually making some big partnerships, I would say that's definitely Flow blockchain, because recently Facebook partnered, they announced NFTs with Flow blockchain. We also saw now that Ticketmaster has this partnership with Flow blockchain. So some of the biggest companies in the world are using Flow blockchain for NFT implementation. Right now, this is just for specific events with Ticketmaster, but moving forward, they said they're going to continue to expand this NFT pilot program and hopefully one day use NFTs for all events. They said the data is going to ultimately show whether or not they're going to be using NFTs for all events in the future, but right now they said there's going to be about 100 games or so in the upcoming NFL season which are going to use NFTs, and they have other games, other sporting events here and there where they use NFTs. But mostly right now it's for memorabilia, not just for everyday tickets. Moving on, let's go over what is going on with Cardano and Ethereum. First off is Cardano. ADA Finance is on track to become the first lending protocol to support Cardano tokens. And this is a pretty big deal because IOHK recently came out and said that the launch version 1 of ADA Finance is going to take place on September 13th, 2022. And this is going to be the first decentralized finance lending protocol on the Cardano blockchain. And this is a big deal because ADA Finance uses DeFi primitive called NFT bonds to streamline the user experience of borrowing and lending. And this is something that you need to see for Cardano if you're an investor in the Cardano blockchain. Long term, you want to see more and more DApps continue to roll out. You want to see ways for people to borrow, for lending and borrowing, as well as NFT development. You want to see all of this on the Cardano blockchain. And this is ultimately a very good sign that we're seeing ADA Finance on track to be the first lending borrowing protocol rolling out on the Cardano blockchain on September 13th. Last thing I want to go over is with Ethereum. Ethereum hard fork over to proof of stake is coming up next couple of weeks. But the thing that we need to keep an eye out for is Ethereum Whales are continuing to make big moves. Just within the last 24 hours, Ethereum Whale just moved $102 million in ETH, around 64,000 Ethereum, to an unknown wallet. And the important thing with this is that we need to keep an eye on what whales are doing, because over the last 2 months, we have seen that Ethereum Whales have started to accumulate more and more. Recently, we've seen spikes in ETH whale transactions over $100,000. So we'd like to see this number continue to increase, continue to see high transactions leading up into the Ethereum hard fork, because that's going to help push the price higher. You could see that back in early August when we saw price spike out for Ethereum and for Bitcoin for Ethereum, it was right over $2,000 per coin. We saw that there was a massive spike in ETH whale transactions, and leading up to the hard fork, I'm expecting to see more of these. So keep an eye out on that. But right now, we're seeing a lot of whale transactions for Ethereum. We're seeing positive developments for Cardano, and for Bitcoin, there's some positives and some negatives. There's just a lot going on that we need to be aware of, and I wanted to make you guys aware of that in today's video. But hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for another episode. See ya.